Hello everyone. In this video, I will cover rules for your SAS statement. So what happens sometimes is, just to check your basics, interviewer can ask you the rules for your statement. You will be actually applying all those rules when you write a program. But when the interviewer asks you, you might not be able to tell. So that is what I am gonna cover today. So there are 5 rules for your statement. So let's begin. Number one, your statement will end with a semicolon. So semicolon is like something like this, right? A dot and a comma. So your statement, see over here I've given one example, dataset name semicolon, because this is the statement, it is ending here, I've put one semicolon. For the next also you can see at the end I have put a semicolon. Same way for your each statement will end with a semicolon. So that is your rule number 1. Statement will end with a semicolon. Let's move on to your rule number 2. Now it can be in uppercase, lowercase or a mixture of both. What does that mean? Over here can you see? Proc. Proc is in uppercase. Print may, can you see I and N is in uppercase but P, R and T is in lowercase. So it is a mixture of both upper and lowercase, right? So it does not matter at all. I will just run it to show you. See, you still got that. You still got that report. Why? Because it can be mixture of uppercase, lowercase. Okay, so that does not matter. Fine. Now the rule number 1, if I remove a semicolon, okay, let me just remove a semicolon. So dataset name, it is ending here. I have not written the, so see, we got an error. We got it here because semicolon is missing. So that is what the error is trying to tell you. Okay, check for a missing semicolon in the data statement. So there is a missing, see, now it will work. So I hope the rule number 1 and 2 are clear. Now let's move on to your rule number 3. Several statements can be written in a single line. What does that mean? See, these are your statement, right? Statement number 1, statement 2, statement 3, statement 4. All these 4 statements can also be written in a single line. Means what? Something like this. So all the statements are in a single line. Why are we able to do that? Because SAS knows that each statement will end with a semicolon. Henceforth, we can write all the statement in a single line also. I will run it now. There you go. You still got the print, right? You got the report. So that is your rule number 3. Now, related to your rule number 3 only, we have rule number 5. That is, the word cannot split between 2 lines for your statement. What does that mean? So you have a word run here, okay? Let me split it. So R is in your first line and U and N is in your second line. So what happens over here? You will get an error. See the error? R and UN. Statement is not valid or it is used out of the proper order. So that is what your rule number 5 is telling. You cannot split the word between your 2 lines. Okay. Now let's move on to the last rule. Words in your statement are separated by a space or a blank. What does that mean? Over here. So dataset name, these two are your words. Can you see it is separated by a space? See? Now what if I don't separate it? I'll join this. I'll join set and this also. I'll join proc and print also. So I have joined them, right? Now the word are not split. So obviously it will not work. If I go to log, see how many error I got? 3 error I should get, and I got 3 error. 1 data and hello, 1 for this one, and 1 for proc print 1. Correct? Because I joined them. So because what we have to do is your word in your statement need to be separated, okay, by a blank like this. Then it will work. So I hope all the rules for your statement are clear. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my channel. Daily I'll try to upload 1 or 2 videos.